Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and I wanted to show you a spotlight of a landscape that we actually did 2 years ago for Jeff and Mary out in McKinney. So it is easy to have a landscape look nice when it first goes in. There's not much challenge to that. The trick, though, is for the landscape to look good 2, 3, 4 years later, and that's actually what we're aiming for. So far as we're concerned, landscapes are an investment in the future, and this one in particular is especially so. We planted this landscape 2 years ago, almost to the day, and what we were going for was, as you can see, the houses behind tower over their home. They have this beautiful area to stay in, this covered patio and porch and so forth with the beautiful waterfall. What they wanted was some privacy and some screening. So the plants in behind those trees, those are called savanna hollies. And as time goes on, savanna hollies will get about 20 feet tall and 8, 12 feet wide, something like that, which is exactly what this needs. And so that as time goes on, this landscape is going to feel like it's they're in their own little oasis, not in a subdivision. The other thing that we've done is when a tree is trimmed at the bottom like these are, that's called a patio style tree, which gives us room then to install underneath. Those are called compact nandinas. They're a feathery plant. Those are going to get up about 4 or 5 feet tall. As the trees get taller, we'll be able to trim off the lower limbs, and then the nandinas are going to fill in. So it's going to completely screen off the back. And then to soften the wall, these plants here, this is a type of abelia. This is Edward Goucher abelia, and that'll get 4 or 5 feet tall, something like that. But as you can see, 2 years later, the plants are thriving. They're really starting to fill in, and as you look across, you can start to see that screening taking place. So 2 years later, this landscape is really looking good. We're very pleased. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Send them on to your friends and family. Village Green, growing plants, growing people, and growing relationships.